In this video, I will show you how to trade cards on Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Monopoly Go. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you're friends with the person that you want to trade cards with. So to do that, come and press onto the friends icon down in the bottom right hand corner. And what you can do is share your friend code, or alternatively send a invite link by pressing the invite button down here, and then pressing the orange invite button to share your link with your friend. Now, once you've done that, what you're going to want to do is come down and press onto album, and it's going to display all your cards and stickers on Monopoly Go. Now, what you can do is go into any of these albums. Let's take this one for example, and if there's a card you actually need, you can press onto this, and what you can do is ask your friends that you're friends with. So if you press the green friends button, you can choose up to 4 friends to request this card. Now, you can also try the Facebook group. There's a Facebook group which, if you give this a press, it's going to take you to the official Facebook group, and you can ask in here if anyone wants to trade with you. Now, just bear in mind that you can only trade cards that you have duplicates of. So if you want to send a card to someone, you can see some of these cards have +1, which means I have duplicates of this particular card. So let's take this one for example. What you can do is also send duplicate cards. You can actually do this up to 5 times a day. So if you press onto the duplicate card, you're going to see an option to send to friend at the bottom. If we actually give this a press, and what you can do is then go ahead and choose the friend that you want to send this to. And there's also an option at the bottom to make an exchange. So if you turn this on, then when you actually send this card to your friends, they're in turn going to have to send a card back to you to complete the trade. So that is a quick overview on how to trade cards on Monopoly Go. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.